I love you guys.
Love you. I love you.
Mwah. So as you can see, I have my nephews with me. This one is
CJ.
and this one is
Dwayne.
my video is about letting our brown children know that they are loved, they are appreciated, and they are valued. If your child has an insecurity, your child, your niece or nephew, if they have an insecurity, let them love it. Like for instance, my niece, their sister, has beautiful curly hair. And for the longest time, she's like, Tita, I wish I had straight hair like Mama and my TT. And I'm like, girl, your hair is beautiful. Like, love your hair because there's so many people out there who would love to have your curl pattern. Shit, I try by a weave just like her hair. And now she loves her curly hair because you have to instill things into children like love who you are. Love yourself. Like, do you love yourself?
Mm-hmm.
You love yourself? You're only 3, but you need to love yourself. You have to instill in these children now that they need to love themselves because they are our future. And there's going to be a point in society where society is going to make our brown children feel less than. We need to uplift them. We need to let them know these are young kings right here. And I'm going to instill that into them as they grow up and as they're older. These are young kings and they're going to be kings one day. We have to instill that now before society tell our young kings and queens that they're less than, that they're not worth it, right? Right. Look at you getting ready to pickle your brother. But guys, I just want to say thank you for watching. And if you like what you see, like what you hear, comment, like, share, and subscribe. Hey, until next time. Until next time. Oh, and don't forget to hit that bell. That bell. What that bell? What? Hit that bell. That bell. That bell. Until next time. Mwah! You want to blow a kiss? Blow a kiss. Blow a kiss. Mwah! Thank you for watching. Until next time, guys. Wait.